In a startling turn of events that has sent shockwaves through the entertainment industry, Kanye West, the 47-year-old rapper and fashion mogul, finds himself at the center of a scandal involving allegations of sexual assault and misconduct. The accuser, Pisciotta, West's former assistant, has recently amended her lawsuit against the artist, introducing explosive new claims that have captured media attention worldwide. The amended complaint, filed on October 8th in the Los Angeles Superior Court of California, paints a disturbing picture of events that allegedly transpired during a studio session in Santa Monica, California. According to Pisciotta's account, what began as a routine work engagement quickly descended into a nightmare scenario that would have far-reaching consequences for all involved. The lawsuit alleges that during this fateful studio session, which was reportedly co-hosted by music industry titan Sean Diddy Combs, Pisciotta was given a drink that she claims was laced with an unidentified drug. It's important to note that while Combs, 54, is mentioned in the suit as a co-host of the session, he is not accused of any wrongdoing in relation to the incident. The complaint specifically points to West as the individual who allegedly ordered the drink to be poured, setting in motion a chain of events that would leave Pisciotta feeling disoriented and experiencing a loss of control over her body and speech. The morning after the alleged incident, Pisciotta reports waking up feeling ill and overwhelmed by immense shame, though at the time, she was unclear about the full extent of what had transpired the previous night. Perhaps most shockingly, Pisciotta claims that it wasn't until much later that she learned the true nature of what allegedly occurred during that studio session. The revelation came, according to the complaint, when West himself confessed to Pisciotta that they did kind of hook up a little one time, referring to the night she was allegedly drugged. This admission reportedly came in the context of marital strife, as West's spouse at the time, presumably Kim Kardashian, though she is not named in the complaint, had been accusing him of having sexual relations with Pisciotta. The timeline here is crucial. West and Kardashian were married in 2014 and finalized their divorce in 2022, placing this alleged incident squarely within the time frame of their marriage. The complaint goes on to detail Pisciotta's reaction to this revelation, describing her as feeling disgusted and numb. It was at this moment, Pisciotta claims, that she realized she needed to extricate herself from her employment with West. However, the situation was far from simple. Pisciotta alleges that she had to be extremely careful in distancing herself from West, fearing that she would be silenced, blacklisted, and retaliated against if she didn't handle her departure delicately. Despite her caution, Pisciotta reports that she was fired shortly after this incident, adding another layer to her claims of wrongful termination. The financial aspect of the lawsuit is equally contentious. Pisciotta asserts that she was never paid the $3 million in severance that she claimed she was owed upon termination of her employment. This unpaid severance forms a significant part of her wrongful termination claim against West. But the allegations don't stop there. The lawsuit, which was initially filed in June, also includes claims of sexual harassment. Pisciotta alleges that she received vulgar texts from West on multiple occasions, and that he became angry with her for rebuffing his advances to date or have sex with him. These claims paint a picture of a toxic work environment rife with inappropriate behavior and abuse of power. In response to these serious allegations, West's legal team has come out swinging. They have categorically denied Pisciotta's claims, labeling them as baseless in a statement to Page 6 in June. The attorneys for West have gone further, turning the tables on Pisciotta by alleging that it was she who pursued West sexually to coerce employment and other material benefits. They claimed that when her advances were rejected, Pisciotta resorted to blackmail. This counter-narrative adds another layer of complexity to an already convoluted situation, raising questions about the nature of the relationship between West and his former assistant and the potential motivations behind the lawsuit. As this story continues to unfold, it has reignited discussions about power dynamics in the entertainment industry, the prevalence of sexual misconduct, and the challenges faced by employees in high-profile, high-pressure environments. The allegations against West come at a time when the music industry, like many others, is grappling with its history of abuse and misconduct, spurred on by movements like #MeToo and Time's Up. The involvement of figures like Sean Diddy Combs, even peripherally, underscores the interconnected nature of the industry and the potential for wide-ranging implications when such allegations come to light. It's crucial to remember that at this stage, the claims made by Pisciotta are allegations contained within a lawsuit and have not been proven in a court of law. The legal process will undoubtedly bring more details to light as the case progresses. Both West and Pisciotta have much at stake. West's reputation and career could suffer significant damage if the allegations are proven true, while Pisciotta faces the daunting task of proving her claims against a powerful and influential figure in the entertainment world. Sean "Diddy" Combs, a rapper and music mogul credited with helping launch the careers of some of the biggest stars in recent years, could be facing more than 100 new lawsuits just 2 weeks after he was arrested by federal agents in New York. The latest wave of legal filings was announced on October 1st, the Los Angeles Times reported, as more than 100 people have planned to file lawsuits against Combs, alleging that he sexually abused and exploited them. It comes just weeks after Combs was arrested in September on sex trafficking and racketeering charges, with federal prosecutors alleging that Combs and his associates threatened, abused, and coerced women and others around him to fulfill his sexual desires, which allegedly includes forcing victims into engaging in recorded sexual activity, which he referred to as freak-offs. Since his arrest, Combs has twice been denied bail on the charges despite offering his Miami mansion as collateral for a $50 million bond. Combs is already appealing these bail denials. With a new judge seated, his lawyers will be arguing for bail a third time. As the public and media digest these shocking allegations, questions abound. How will this lawsuit impact West's already controversial public image? What implications might this have for his business ventures and musical career? And perhaps most importantly, what does this case say about the ongoing struggle to create safe, respectful work environments in the entertainment industry? As the legal proceedings move forward, all eyes will be on the Los Angeles Superior Court of California, waiting to see how this high-profile case unfolds and what truths may eventually come to light.